Hey my love bugs, it's your girl Lisa Marie back at you with another review today. Today we're going to be reviewing this gorgeous wig on my head. But before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified every time I post a video. And yeah, if you're interested in how I slayed this gorgeous wig, stay tuned and let's get it. Okay you guys, so yeah, I purchased this wig. I love this wig. It is so cute to me. Like, this red is popping, like the ombre effect. I fucking love it. Okay, I love it. So yeah, this wig is by Sensational. It's one of their custom lace wigs. It's the style Perm Romance, and I got her in a 1B red. This is the stock card. And she comes in other colors. She comes in a 1B99J, 427-613, 1B red, which is what I have, 1B27, 1B30, and a 1B burgundy. That's all the other colors you can get in cut. And of course, it comes with the solid colors. You can get, you know, like the 1, 2, 3, 4, all of those. But yeah, this wig is so pretty, you guys. I love this wig. Now, a couple of details about this wig. It is not an ear-to-ear lace. The lace this wig is really meant to be worn in the middle part because the lace only starts right here and stops right here. So yeah, it's not an ear-to-ear lace. Yeah, I decided to wear mine as a side part because I'm always rocking the middle part, so I decided to go ahead and do a side part today, which I think is really cute. Another detail about the wig. The parting on this wig coming out the box was pretty trash. I'm gonna keep it 100. The wig was trash. The parting on this wig was trash, bro. Like, trash. So what I had to do is, I had to pluck the shit out this wig. Like, I had to pluck the hell out this wig. I even had to take my scissors and go into the part and cut some of her out this wig. That's how thick and ridiculous this parting on this wig was. Like, it looked so damn wiggy. It was trash. So what I did was I had to go in, pluck it out real good, cut some of the hair out, put my makeup up there, get my wand, flatten it out. I had to do all of that. Cut my baby hairs in there, and we start coming together. But other than the parting being so fucked up on the wig, the curls and everything else on the wig, gorgeous out the box. Gorgeous. The texture of this wig is like a yaki, coarse kind of feel, kind of give you like a natural effect. It's not real shiny. It looks very natural, which is what I do love about this wig. And the texture, I love this wig. I will purchase this wig again because once you do your work, once you fix it up or whatever, and you know, play with it, get it to your liking or whatever, it is a beautiful wig. Because now that I have it on, I play with it, I love it. I believe it's cute, and I will purchase it again, maybe in another color. But I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna search around and see can I find a wig something similar to this with just an ear to ear and a better parting. Cause I don't have nothing against the short lace wigs, but I do love an ear to ear lace front wig, just in case I want to flip my hair back, or just in case the wind blow. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta be worrying about my edges and all that shit showing. You know what I'm saying? I don't gotta worry about that. But another thing about this wig, I have my hair braided under this wig, and this wig is big hair friendly because the cap is big as hell. And like, I could have really got away with just putting my shit in the ponytail and leaving it a little poofy under because it's real big. Like, the cap is real big. So it is big hair friendly. It has the 2 adjustable straps in the back, 1 comb in the back, 2 combs on each side. And yeah, that's the wig. And I think she's beautiful. Don't get me wrong, she's cute. I ain't gonna shade it too bad, but I'm just giving you guys my honest opinion. The parting was not good at all. I had to really play with the parting. I got the wig from soundsbeauty.com. I will be sure to leave the link in my description below. I didn't pay over $30 for her. I believe she was $25.99, $26.99. I don't know, I can't remember, but I will link it in the description below. I know I did not pay over $30 for her. I got her in 3 days. And yeah, that's about it. But other than that, yeah, this is her. I love this wig. It's Perm Romance, and it's cute. This red is popping. Like at first, I didn't think I wanted to try the red, but I was gonna do the burgundy. But I'm glad I went ahead and got the red because I love the red. It's cute. I feel like it's really cute on me. So yeah, ladies, that's all today for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Leave me a comment in my comments and let me know how you feel about this wig. Let me know if I slayed this wig. Do you like the wig? Have you ever purchased the wig? Have you ever tried the wig? Do you like the wig? What was your experience with the wig? Girl, talk to me in them comments, because I'm very active when it comes to my comments, and I will be responding back. So if you have any questions that I didn't answer about this wig, ask me in them comments. Let me know. I get back with you. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today, because I know I am blessed and highly favored, okay? But yeah, I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. And yes, you guys, thanks for watching. I love you so, so much. I love all my subscribers so much. Y'all love and support your girl, and I love you for that, okay? Thank you so much, you guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell to be notified every time I post a video. And until the next time, God bless.